How to share a note on Google Keep Notes to Google Drive easy and directly. So all what you have to do is go to Keep Notes. Now this is the home page. As you can see, I'm gonna take this note for example, go to your note, and now all what you have to do to share it to Google Drive directly, go down here and click on those three dots, and you will find many options here. Choose the send option right here, click on it like this, and now go to send via other apps. Click on this option, and here you go. Now right here you will find drive option, click on it and it will be shared directly. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.